Hi everyone, it's Jennifer Blake with Novella Real Estate in Denver. Wow, what a week we've had. I mean, day by day and hour by hour, it has been a week of processing and adjusting. With all this change and disruption in our daily lives, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to share some information that I've compiled to help keep you informed and educated on the state of our real estate market. 2020 has started off with steady buyer demand and continued appreciation. Buyers are still out and demand is greater than supply. This chart illustrates the total number of showings and accepted contracts in our MLS from before coronavirus became a threat in Colorado to the weekend after the first case was confirmed, and most recently this past weekend after state authorities began to implement restrictions. Even after mandated restrictions and closures, buyer demand remains strong. At this moment, there aren't any government-mandated restrictions to real estate in Colorado. However, this is subject to change at any time. Most businesses have adopted COVID-19 practices to minimize risk to employees and clients of being exposed. With all of the business closures, rising unemployment rate, and volatility in the stock market, everyone is anxious to know what's coming next. All signs point to a recession. However, just because we're in a recession doesn't mean a housing crisis. In fact, 3 of the last 5 recessions saw home values appreciate. With record high home values and rapidly increasing unemployment rates, people are starting to think about a flood of foreclosures. However, experts aren't expecting a high foreclosure rate. One reason for this is because a substantial amount of homeowners have significant equity in their homes, unlike the bubble of 2008. Another reason experts aren't expecting a high foreclosure rate is because FHA, Fannie, and Freddie have all announced they're suspending foreclosures and evictions for at least 60 days. This will allow homeowners additional time to get back on their feet once the COVID-19 disruption comes to an end. So what's going to happen to real estate? It's impossible to predict. Much of what happens will depend on how long we are on pause. For now, those with an immediate need to buy or sell are adjusting to new protocols put in place for increased safety, more and more virtual appointments, and innovating the way we market properties. Thanks so much for tuning in and staying up to date with our real estate market. If you or someone you know is thinking about making a move or just has questions, please give me a call. I'd love to assist and look forward to providing you with best-in-class real estate service.